Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2019 Chevy Impala LT, stock number X1029XX. Only 11,000 miles. And this Impala comes to us with a clean auto check history report, summit white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's in the large car class, seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. The Impala is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera. Spacious trunk, one of the largest in its class. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Oversized moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and sunshade control. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 305 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a full-size sedan. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 65% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Impala, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.